Welcome back to Aqua Platycodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked every day. Today, let's talk about a topic that resonates with all of us who love convenience: frozen fruits and vegetables. Can they really replace fresh produce? And is this the ultimate lazy solution for a healthy lifestyle? Let's face it, fresh fruits and veggies are fantastic, but they spoil quickly, require time to clean and prep, and honestly, not everyone has the patience for that. Enter frozen fruits and vegetables, a savior for the busy, the lazy, and yes, even the smart. So, what about the nutrition? Here's the good news. Frozen fruits and vegetables are usually picked at peak ripeness and frozen within hours. This process locks in most of the nutrients, sometimes even better than fresh produce that's been sitting around in the fridge for days. For key nutrients like fiber, minerals, and even most vitamins, frozen is almost as good as fresh. Take vitamin C as an example. While freezing might cause some loss, it's often less than what's lost in fresh produce left out too long. Antioxidants and dietary fiber, these remain virtually intact. And here's the kicker. Frozen produce can sometimes be cheaper and available year-round, making it easier to eat a balanced diet. Now, you might wonder, can we survive solely on frozen produce without eating fresh fruits and vegetables? The answer is mostly yes. If you're choosing high-quality, minimally processed frozen options, they can meet most of your nutritional needs. The key is variety and avoiding processed versions with added sugar, salt, or sauces. Stick to plain, flash-frozen options to maximize the benefits. What about the convenience? Imagine no washing, no peeling, and no chopping. Just open a bag and toss it into a smoothie, stir-fry, or even a soup. For those who value time and simplicity, frozen produce is a game-changer. However, here's the small print. Fresh produce does have unique enzymes and live components that frozen produce might lack. These are hard to quantify, but may play subtle roles in health. So, for optimal health, you could occasionally add a banana, apple, or pre-washed salad into the mix. And let's not forget the savings. With frozen options, you cut down on waste. How often have you thrown out wilted spinach or moldy strawberries? Frozen ensures you use only what you need, saving money in the long run. So here's the bottom line. Frozen fruits and vegetables are not just for the lazy, they're for the smart. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie, a hearty soup, or a stir-fry, frozen produce is here to make healthy eating easier than ever. What do you think? Are you team fresh or team frozen? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Aqua Platycodon for more life hacks and intriguing knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.